Cue the mystery. The green parrot, an enigma in the bird world. Native to Central and South America, they've taken the pet industry by storm. Ever wondered why? Their intelligence, comparable to a toddler, they're quick learners, mastering tricks and even mimicking human speech. But that's not all. Their lifespan's impressive, reaching up to 50 years. Imagine half a century of feathery camaraderie. And their color? It's not just for show. It's a survival technique, blending seamlessly with leafy canopies, eluding predators. But remember, owning a parrot's a commitment. They require social interaction and mental stimulation just like us. So next time you see a green parrot, you'll know there's more than meets the eye, unraveling mysteries one feather at a time.